Well, yes, today is a very, very wonderful day. Monday. Why I shout Ewo?
On a Monday morning. Ewo. Let me take one of your viewers with that. Ewo.
No, sometimes when you're very excited, you don't know what to do now to just shout Ewo. For my place, that's what they do.
Now you come. Because normal people I know when they're excited, they go shout, yeah!
Yippee! No, we got to go look up.
When calamity don't start.
Yippee! Locality now. Opa, correct.
Now you're now. You are so old.
Ewo na calamity.
Ewo na problem. Ewo.
No, Ewo mean many things.
No, now only one thing where I know and to mean. Now only believe people know and say it mean many things.
Okay, that shout Ewo once you hear it for African magic, that means something not happen.
Calamity.
Wow. All right, so on that particular note, we're not play for calamity, but we're very happy because today is Monday, motivational Monday night today be. So we're going to give you our motivational video of the day. We get within the hot, we all of us go check out inside. We get our motivational quote of the day. We get better manners of the day. And as usual, we get Coco of the day. Not forget, say everything what we discuss on top of the show, you need to put your mouth inside. You gonna need to work out, enter Twitter at TokTokWazobia, enter Facebook TokTok-Wazobia TV. Betiana's birthday is on Sunday.
Yeah!
Calm down.
You see, I don't shout Ewo.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, your birthday will go do no,
try.
So what are your plans for Sunday?
Yes. On Sunday, we go church, go thank Baba God, say, all these years, all the hustle, everything on the pay, I still there alive. But on Saturday, we dey go one less privileged home for inside. Yes, birthday eve. We dey go less privileged home for inside Ebute Meta. So all our beautiful viewers, if you join us for there, even if na your own shillings and penny, anyone where you get, if na one pure water you want carry, come give those people so they go know say people actually love them. Maybe we go celebrate with those ones we don't get anything at all.
Something will happen for inside Edo State. Now, they say residents of Akala Street for inside Benin City, the capital of Edo State, say all of them in shock when they see a body of a newborn baby. Say they dump the baby for inside gutter. Now, what's even surprising about this particular thing, be say they use rope take tie the baby in mouth.
I don't understand.
And they put the baby for inside the wrapper for polythene bag and dump the baby for gutter for inside Edo State. Now, watching this video of this woman, we see person for see this baby for inside trash, take care of this baby, and then realizing say another woman where they out there, they kill her baby and dump her baby for gutter. As in, which kind of act be this? Is this act of wickedness, or as usual you go blame them on poverty?
This one on wickedness. Why you got to tie small pikin
mouth?
Leave on like this one. They even leave on so that somebody go see them, even protect them. I don't see where they abandon pikin for Kaduna. They actually dump the pikin without clothes, and those ants, those red ants, they eat the pikin till the pikin die. That's the pikin don't cry.
Babies in the wood. I mean, people remember that song.
Can't eat the thing till the baby die. I don't understand. If you don't want, carry and go orphanage home. We don't even more informed than that one where you go put pikin for gutter or something. I don't understand.
And tomorrow that kind of person go say God do and wicked and no give and pikin born.
Yeah, I don't understand. The wickedness. This one no be poverty. We don't see mad people. Yeah. We don't see beggars. We're blind. We still carry their pikin for back because they no one lets go. You understand? So this one our wickedness, not be poverty.
It's not poverty. If I even want to talk enter where this video come from, say because that time when the video go, you know where we talk, say okay, we're not China, we not China, Japanese, we wherever. Say they know they agree make they born more than two children. Yeah. So that one, if you even understand, say, but yeah, because of that rule, you don't born another one country. You know what made them know say na she born now. But when you come to our own country, where we get like one person go born football team.
But I tell you, that one where we talk just now for Edo State, now witchcraft, no be wickedness. Because seriously, you don't need to fly for daytime for them to say you've been winged. Some kind of attributes, some kind of character where you go they portray, go show say yes, you been winged. Because I don't understand. Doesn't she just drop bikini at different case, but this one she tied the bikini mouth, put them for inside the polythene bag. That means that she not even want make the bikini survive.
At all. I know if you just imagine waiting that bikini don't go through, report the bikini die, but we go actually into a small break. Yeah, baby die. They put her for polythene bag, tie, and the baby mouth. We go actually into a small break right now. Tell us what you think about this one, poverty or wickedness, and put your mouth inside. After the break, when we come back, you go find out and waiting don't happen to other people. Then you go need to come body with us. When we come back, we will yarn you the stories.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.